Welcome to CDN 115, A History of Graphic Design. My name is Alexis Bach and I'll be your instructor. This course is based on the book A History of Graphic Design by Meggs and Alston Purvis. Our textbook about the history of graphic design is written in the belief that if we understand the past, we will be better able to continue a cultural legacy of beautiful form and effective communication. Since prehistoric times, people have searched for ways to give visual form to ideas and concepts, to bring order and clarity to information, and to store knowledge in graphic form. Over the course of history, people such as scribes, printers, and artists have filled these needs. In this course, we will survey the history of graphic design from pictographs on cave walls to the evolution of the written word. We will look at how the printing press changed and influenced society from Johann Gutenberg to the advent of color printing in the Victorian age. This will include an overview of how photography affected our modern consciousness in relation to the Civil War and printing technologies. Looking ahead into the 20th century, we will examine how the arts and crafts movement, together with Japanese art, changed the face of design. We will examine pivotal artist schools and guilds like the Vienna Secession and how members of such organizations laid the foundation for the modern art movements. In our chapters dealing with the influence of modern art, we'll look at how some of the 20th century's modern art movements reflected the social, cultural, and political climate of the day. We will take particular note of how these movements were impacted by major world events like World War I and World War II. Progressing through the 20th century, we will also examine how a new language of form shaped the course of design through such institutions as the Bauhaus and a bevy of brilliant international modern designers. Finally, we will take a journey through our computers on the World Wide Web and maybe make a prediction or two about the innovations of the future. Our learning objectives throughout this course will be to understand the evolution of graphic design, recognize different periods or eras of graphic design, understand how technology influences design, recognize the impact of design on society, identify pivotal events and achievements, and become familiar with historical figures and contemporary designers. I'm looking forward to a great semester, and thank you for joining me on this journey through history through the eyes of the graphic designer.